We are going now directly to national capital Delhi. It's the assembly session that's beginning. Look at that, how times change. Now, there are going to be 48 MLAs of the Bharatiya Janata Party, 22 MLAs of the opposition of the Aam Aadmi Party, and they will have to exchange their seats now. Till now, remember, it was barely few, sometimes 3, sometimes 5, sometimes 8 MLAs of the BJP and a massive majority of the Aam Aadmi Party. But what you're looking at is also very significant. Here in this Delhi Assembly, for the first time, there's going to be a woman Chief Minister and a woman Leader of Opposition. Rekha Gupta will be leading her team for the government. Atishi, the Kalkaji MLA, will be leading her team with regard to the opposition strategy. And it's going to be fiery. Arvinder Singh Lovely there, pro tem speaker. One of the reasons possibly I can tell you that it's Arvinder Singh Lovely is he's among most of these MLAs, one of the most experienced when it comes to ministers, has been a senior leader. He was one of the closest aide and ministers in the Sheila Dikshit government, held the education portfolio and more. He's currently the pro tem speaker, but that also means it's temporary. There's going to be an appointment next for the speaker and deputy speaker. Let's dip in now to the protocol in the assembly. About 56 years of age, one of the senior leaders, Arvinder Singh Lovely, 5-time MLA. He has been from Gandhinagar. He has experience with the ministries of the government as well. Let's listen in first to what Lovely is saying.
सदस्य चुने जाने पर मैं आप सभी को बहुत बधाई देता हूं। इस सदन में मैं आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। दिल्ली की नई विधानसभा का गठन हुआ है, जिस पर जनता के कल्याण और दिल्ली के विकास की अहम जिम्मेवारी है। मैं दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री और उनके काउंसिल के सब मिनिस्टर्स को और सभी विधायकगण को जहां अपनी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं, वहीं सदन की कार्रवाई शुरू करने से पहले यह जरूरी है कि पहले से चली आ रही परंपराओं के अनुसार इस मौके की गरिमा को
So let's go on the ground. Joining me, Piyush Mishra for the latest on that. Piyush, good morning. And of course, very different from how we've seen a Delhi Assembly all these years. Arvinder Singh Lovely in some way has looked like that constant feature. But tell me now, what is the first day going to look like? Looks like both BJP and the AAP have come prepared.
Well, absolutely, both are prepared. BJP has been able to form the government after 27 years of struggle, and we were also talking about Arvinder Singh Lovely, and he is the man who was minister in Sheila Dikshit government. He joined BJP, then left, and then again joined Congress, and he again came back to BJP. He was given ticket, fielded from Gandhinagar, and today he is sitting on the chair of speaker. Today he is playing the role of pro tem speaker. He will administer oath to various other MLAs, and this oath-taking ceremony will continue till 2 p.m. So today is the day where all MLAs, all 70 MLAs of Delhi, they are going to take oath. And tomorrow is going to be the most crucial day, where the day is going to begin with the addressal of Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena. And then after that, the government, BJP government, is going to table 14 reports of CAG. Remember that this is a much talked about thing. PM Narendra Modi also, during his addressal to the BJP workers after after BJP's win in Delhi, had made it very clear that in the first session of assembly in Delhi, the government is going to table the CAG report, and that is going to happen tomorrow after the addressal of VK Saxena.
So today is going to be more of a protocol, more of with regard to oaths being taken, as we just had the national anthem.